swapping the tanks on it. Decided to use the return line to pump out what's left in the tanks. At least she's out. Alright, so evidently I've got it down close enough to maybe start swapping these out. And as you might know, the return line on a Detroit goes all the way to the bottom. This pickup tube will come right out here. Yeah, she looks like she's down pretty low. Let me wipe this off. Hang on one second. Yeah, I know she's low because if you look in there, I don't know if you can see or not, it's actually down to the pickup, half-inch pickup, which is good because I'm going to start taking off the passenger side tank first. And got aluminums to go on it. You know, Detroit 101 has never let them run out of fuel, but it's unfortunately we got to get it completely broken down, so I know what kind of air-equipped line to buy. Probably going to be about $500–600 worth of line. So I'm going to start right here on this passenger tank. I'm going to take and cut the fuel line right there, crimp it off, plug it, start with this tank. So we'll see how this goes.